Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Misa. The whole reason why I created this channel is to help you through makeup achieve a flawless complexion. Yes, that is an echo you are hearing, and yes, I am in my bathroom. I've decided I really want to show you guys my nighttime skincare routine, what I use, and the order I use it. I've been obsessed with watching, I don't know if you've probably heard of him, but Hiram Skincare. I have been binge watching his channel, and I have just been learning so much. If you want to see exactly what my nighttime skincare routine is like, then go ahead and keep on watching. Let's go ahead and get started. So first and foremost, I'm going to cleanse my face. I did a full face of makeup. Today I tested out the new Tarte concealer. If you haven't seen it already, I'll have it linked down below. I have been using this makeup eraser. My mom actually gifted this to me, and I just get it a little bit of damp, and I do wash this after every use. I just run it through the washer and dryer. If I don't use this, then I just go ahead right in with a cleanser. But with this, I'm just able to gently remove certain things that I got my hair tie upstairs. I usually do not wear my hair down when I'm doing all my skincare, but I cannot go up there or else I will disturb my children. Before I forget, I should probably tell you my skin type. So I have dry skin. I don't feel like it's too sensitive. Usually stick to products that aren't going to irritate my skin. I've never really stuck to one specific cleanser. Now, there are several cleansers I've tried out and that I love and that I would repurchase, but my current cleanser that I'm using right now is this Dr. Kakadu Brightening Daily Cleanser, Toner, and Makeup Remover. I'm gonna get my face wet first. A little bit of this. It's clear. The scent, it's not the most pleasant scent, but what I love about Doctor and this cleanser is they didn't add any fragrance into it, which fragrance is an irritant. Not that I eliminate fragrance completely from my life, because I have bronzers and makeup and setting sprays that have fragrance. It's $38, which is it is so expensive. It comes with basically Kakadu C is a plum that they found in Australia, and it contains 55 times more vitamin C than oranges. I use their serum, and I think that's really all I've used. They have a wonderful serum oil that you can find for an amazing price at Costco. I do all my cleansing and exfoliating in the shower. It's just so much easier. But for the sake of the video, I decided not to do that. So now that I finished cleansing my face, especially if I'm in the shower, I double cleanse. I usually go over once with this cleanser, and then I go over again until I feel like, you know, I got off enough makeup. And I used to never do that, but I started double cleansing about a year ago. It's been life-changing. Now, sometimes I'll only cleanse once, and those days I go in with an exfoliator. This exfoliant is called the Nourishing Exfoliant by Belle Pugh. I think I'm saying it right, but my sister-in-law actually introduced this product to me. I had been kind of stuck in a rut where I would only purchase my skincare from Sephora or Ulta, and so when she mentioned this, it's completely natural. It has Himalayan salt, jojoba oil, all of these amazing natural ingredients that just naturally exfoliate your skin. There's charcoal in here that really helps detoxify and get dirt out of your pores. Because of the exfoliant nature of this, I recommend to use it with very light fingertips, and it is only recommended you use this every other day. I just grabbed the smallest amount of this. You can use this all over your body. I only use it for my face because I think it's about $50. It's not the most affordable exfoliator, but it comes with 12 ounces of product, which this has lasted me. My sister-in-law gifted this to me for Christmas, and it's May now, so it's lasted me for five months. I actually need to purchase one again tonight. Oh, that feels good though. You can feel the oil still on your skin, and so you really do not have to apply moisturizer. You can just go to sleep at night. I'm telling you, I've never had an exfoliating experience like this before. Okay, the next step I'm going to talk about is toner. I used to never be a toner fanatic until I started realizing, wow, you have no idea what kind of makeup is left on your skin throughout the day, even if you double cleanse and exfoliate. And so what I do is I take a little cotton swab that has the texture on one side, my absolute favorite, and I've been gravitating toward both of my Kiehl toners. This one is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Toner. This is for all skin types. This is more of a creamy formula, and then I have the Kiehl Cucumber Herbal, the best one for dry or sensitive skin. I've been using both. This one, the green one, is my favorite though. So I just put that on the cotton swab and it kind of soaks up a bunch. First, concentrate on my outer edges of my face.
Cause I don't want nobody change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away. You can.
So these are the cotton swabs after I use them. You see how there's still foundation on them. Even though I double cleanse my face, still foundation. Those toners are very affordable. This one, I think they're both about $20 and they will last you such a long time. Toners really do prep your skin for your actual serums. Now, at this point, my skincare routine could go one of two ways. I could do a mask, and I like to do sleeping masks, in which case I would skip any kind of serum, or I would just go in with a serum and an eye cream. If I'm going in with a mask, I absolutely love, this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Mask. I absolutely love this because the packaging is absolutely amazing. The scent is therapeutic. It's a very light watermelon scent. They put fragrance in it, which is the only con to this according to Skincare by Hiram. But other than that, I have thoroughly enjoyed this product. I was a skeptic of this when I first used it. I just didn't think it would work. What I do, you can do one of two things. You can leave this on your face for just, 30 minutes and rinse it off. I personally apply a thick layer all over my face and I leave it on overnight, and then when I wake up, I wash my face, and I'm telling you, your skin is soft, it's glowy. You have dry skin, I would highly recommend this. I used this mask last night, so I'm not going to use it today. They say to really only use it maybe 3 times a week. So I'm going to go in with the serum and the eye cream that I've been using. Like with serums, I have gone through, I usually don't use a lot of serums, but I did purchase this one in a set, and this is the Ole Henriksen Invigorating Night Transformation Gel. This product is supposed to soften fine lines, wrinkles, and make your skin texture smoother, which is, I believe, through the AHA complex. I will say the first couple nights I used this, I broke out like crazy. I just chalked it up to, I had never used a product that has AHAs in it. After a couple days, my skin did start clearing up. Now I feel like it's very smooth. So I do feel like there's something in this that is working. Will I repurchase it again after this? Probably not. I'm probably just gonna go to like a serum, oil-based serum. I just do a light layer all over my skin like this. You have the lightest sting with this. So what in it is causing the stinging? It's a gel-like formula. And then I'll bring some down my neck. Okay, so we do have a couple more steps. Now we're going on to my eye cream. I gravitate between 2 of them. I recently purchased this Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. This is just still so new to me, I couldn't tell you whether or not it works. I really like this Belief formula. It's just the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. It's just a really light formula, and I put that, I actually usually do this first, so I'm going on a line. I just lightly apply that underneath my eyes. And then I do go in between my brows as well. And then that's that. And then the last step, I've just been talking forever, is my Laneige. I'm not saying it right, I just know I'm not. My Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is in the scent Vanilla. And I just take a little bit of that. Put this on my lips. It is amazing. It is awesome. I wasn't sold, and then my lips had this huge dry spout when we were moving. It was the only saving grace. If you haven't seen my makeup fridge video, this is where I store a majority of these products. I like to apply these nice and cold. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some little tidbits out of my skincare routine. I really like to keep it simple, and you're probably thinking, oh my gosh, that's not simple. Honestly, I really don't like to go in with much. Like if I'm using a serum, I don't go in with a moisturizer. Exfoliating, cleansing, that can all be done in the shower. Toning, I really try to make that a priority. Once you kind of get your own routine down, like I said, I don't like to layer things, and I really do like to finish up each and every product I buy, especially skincare wise, just so I can see if it really works and to the full effect. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.